Welcome. In this short and simple video, I will quickly show how you can update apps on LENOVO Legion GO S. So to start, you will need to open the, app list, or the app launcher, should I say. So tap over here, application launcher or startup, then go into the, all applications perhaps, and here specifically look for the Discover Software Center. Now to your left, select the updates, and if there will be an available app update, you will be able to fetch it or install it directly from here. You can also press the refresh button to check if any of the installed apps need updating. And as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.